Best deals.
1. Handy Pot is engineered for culinary excellence, achieving professional results every time. A contemporary take on the classic Indian cooking vessel renowned for its ability to infuse flavors through minimal water usage. Boasting a unique curved body, this handy simplifies the stirring process. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Canister. Made of high borosilicate glass, BPA-free, safety, non-toxic, duty cycle, freezable, resistant to corrosion and high temperature. Lids are made of high-quality nature wood. Each jar cover comes with a food-grade silicone sealant ring, more effective in preventing fluid flow in the entry of gases and bugs, better food preservation. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Trevite is made of pure stainless steel, no worries about any toxic chemical substance into your food. Round wire rack has 4 raised feet and dense weld design, stably holding the food, prevent food falling through. Spaced wire provide better airflow for baking or steaming. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Lunch box features 2 stacked tiers for separating different types of food, with a round shape for compact storage. Equipped with leak-proof rings on the outer circumference of each tier to prevent spills and leaks. Made from durable stainless steel with a top-notch mirror finish for a sleek appearance and easy cleaning. Comes with an insulated bag to maintain food temperature and reduce condensation. Ideal for both office and school settings, providing a secure and stylish solution for carrying meals. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Tawa are widely used to cook dosas, rotis and parathas. Tawa pans are also essential in cooking cutlets, pancakes, French toasts, and many more. Aluminum tawa are particularly preferred for their heavy gauge and well-balanced pans. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Coconut scraper. Solid teakwood body stays steady on your counter. That extra weight, combined with the grip pad, gives you better control, smoother scraping, and less effort on your hands. Smooth, fast scraping with a strong blade. The sharp cast iron blade is balanced to give fine, fluffy coconut in seconds, without applying force. Less pressure, less strain, more output. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Brush. Easy to clean the stains, also help restore the original texture of these suede accessories. Be used on most suede or nubuck leathers accessories, such as suede boots, shoes, coats, jackets, and make them look brand new. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Curd maker. Achieve thick, delicious yogurt effortlessly with our fine mesh strainer. The 1100 ml capacity is ideal for crafting large batches with perfect consistency. Beyond yogurt, easily strain smoothies, juices, and cheese. Our versatile strainer's fine mesh ensures smooth results without unwanted residues. Constructed from high-quality plastic and stainless steel, the strainer is rust-resistant and built to last, ensuring safe, hygienic food preparation every time. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Electric copper. Built with a high-performance 800W pure copper motor that delivers fast and efficient chopping in seconds and is perfect for chopping onions, garlic, vegetables, nuts, herbs, and even small portions of meat effortlessly. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Glass jar. Featuring an airtight pay lid, these glass containers help keep foods fresh by preventing moisture loss and blocking external odors. Constructed from sturdy soda glass with a temperature resistance range of -10 to 80 degrees Celsius. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Chopper. Simplify your cooking with the intuitive one-touch operation of this mini food processor. Just a simple press and the powerful 30W motor delivers precise chopping in seconds, saving your time and effort. Designed with your safety in mind, the chopper features an auto-off function that stops the blades immediately when the lid is opened. This safety feature ensures a worry-free and secure operation every time. Its detachable design allows for quick and easy cleaning, letting you focus more on cooking and less on cleanup. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Tadka pan. With its compact 10 cm size, This fry pan is perfect for cooking individual portions of eggs, vegetables, or spices with precision. The sturdy wood handle provides a comfortable grip and stays cool to the touch, offering safe and convenient handling while cooking. Crafted from high-quality iron, this frying pan is built to last. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Sponge Mop. Your ultimate cleaning companion designed to simplify daily cleaning tasks effortlessly. This 3-in-1 mop offers mopping, wiping, and brushing solutions in a single tool. With easily replaceable sponge heads and an extendable handle, it's versatile and convenient. Suitable for all floor types, walls, glass, and bathroom surfaces. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Masala Box. Keep your kitchen tidy and efficient with our masala containers for kitchen 130 ml each. These stainless steel spice storage options ensure your favorite spices are always at your fingertips, enhancing the joy of cooking and making meal prep a breeze. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this masala box offers long-lasting durability and resilience, designed to withstand the everyday rigors of a busy kitchen, ensuring your spices remain fresh and flavor-packed every time you cook. The masala dabba comes with see-through lids that allow you to easily identify spices at a glance. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Mixer Grinder. High-performance copper motor delivers faster and smoother grinding every time. Built-in overload protector automatically cuts power during overheating to protect the motor and extend its life. Sharp, rust-resistant stainless steel blades ensure fine, uniform results for wet, dry, chutney grinding, and juicing applications. 3-speed rotary control with pulse mode gives complete control over grinding texture. Robust jar locking system reduces vibration and noise for stable, effortless operation. Leak-proof lids prevent spills, sturdy handles offer a secure grip, the sleek black body with smooth finish makes cleaning quick and easy. Crafted from durable materials, this mixer grinder includes wide-mouth steel jars featuring an elegant design in a neutral color. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cooker. Distinct deep blade profile helps prevent starchy boil over from spilling down the sides, keeping your cooktop cleaner. Equipped with a MSP to release excess pressure, GRS for backup safety. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Cast Iron Kadai. Made from 100% natural cast iron, ensuring a healthy cooking experience. Free from chemicals and toxins, it enhances the nutritional value of your dishes. Enriches food with iron, adds essential iron content to your meals, helping to combat iron deficiency. Ideal for health-conscious cooks who want both delicious flavors and essential nutrients. Perfect for deep frying, sautéing, simmering, and more. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Drawer Organizer. Can be used in a variety of scenarios. Bedroom, living room, office, children's room are good choices. Drawer Organizer for clothes help you make full use of storage space, organize your clothes, books, toys, cosmetics and other various household items, satisfy your long-term storage needs. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Juices Machines. Effortlessly drop in whole apples and veggies without the need for pre-cutting. Thanks to the powerful auto-cutting mechanism with dual crushing blades, your ingredients are sliced and juiced in a flash, saving your time and maximizing every drop of juice. Advanced masticating juicer spins at a precise 60 rpm, dramatically reducing clogging and minimizing sediment. The triple strainers work together to perfectly separate the pomace from the juice, delivering pure, natural juice with every use. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Container. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this airtight see-through jar is designed for long-lasting durability, making it perfect for kitchen storage of snacks, dry fruits, pulses, spices, and more. Featuring a secure stainless steel threaded lid. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Peeler. Precision stainless steel blade ensures smooth, fast, and effortless peeling with minimal waste. Ideal vegetable peeler for kitchen daily cooking and meal prep. Perfect for potato, sweet potato, carrot, cucumber, apple, mango, and papaya. One manual peeler for all common fruits and vegetables. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Kettle. Made of borosilicate glass and withstands temperatures of up to 350 degrees centigrade. Can be safely used in the microwave and low-flame gas oven. Will not leach chemicals into your food even over repeated usage. Glass will not turn milky or cloudy with repeated usage. The strainer lid allows loose tea leaves to be steeped in the pot, ensuring perfect flavor to every sip. Spout mouth for easy pouring of liquid. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Casserole. Made from healthy ceramic coating, which is free from PFAS, PFOA, leads and chemicals. It ensures worry-free cooking and is sizzle-ready for hassle-free use. Casserole pot is specially crafted for style, durability, and functionality. It features toxin-free ceramic coating and a toughened glass lid. Ergonomic Bakelite handles provide a soft touch. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Spice jar. Premium thick glass jar with clear visibility for easy spice identification. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Oil dispenser. Crafted from food-grade, rust-resistant stainless steel, ensuring durability, hygiene, and long-lasting performance. Unlike glass or plastic dispensers, it prevents contamination and retains the purity of oils and liquids. The sturdy, well-designed handle offers a comfortable and secure grip. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Puttu maker. Is specially crafted in the traditional coconut shell shape for making authentic round puttu. Perfect for South Indian breakfast lovers. High-quality steel build made from premium-grade stainless steel, this maker is rust-resistant, durable, and hygienic. Designed for long-term use in Indian kitchens. Simply attach, fill with flour and coconut, and steam soft puttu in minutes. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Container. Make your kitchen look perfect with these intricate design and traditional pattern classy kitchen accessories. It can store large quantities of food grains without occupying much space. Steel dabba has great strength. Made up of heavy-grade steel and leak-proof, the stainless steel used is of a higher grade, or that the design and craftsmanship are more refined. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Blender. Mainly for whisking, whipping, and frothing for coffee drinks, or more like milkshakes, whipped cream, salad dressings, gravies, sauces, mayonnaise, meringues. Easy to clean, just clean in soapy water, rinse and pat dry. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Plate. Its sleek mirror finish not only enhances its visual appeal but also makes it easy to clean, while the food-grade quality ensures safe and healthy dining. Designed for everyday use, the sturdy and reliable plate is built to last. The compact, space-saving shape allows for easy storage, and its stackable feature adds convenience. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Egg boiler. Fill water till 25 ml mark for soft boil, fill till 50 ml mark for medium boil, and fill till 75 ml mark for hard boil. This user-friendly egg boiler has a built-in auto shut-off feature that turns it off as soon as the egg is boiled and the LED indicator tells when the boil is done. It comes with a measuring cup that lets you measure the appropriate amount of water for each kind of boil and has a built-in pin to pierce the eggs before cooking to prevent cracking. The egg boiler is designed in a space-saving manner so it can fit in compact spaces like kitchenettes, dorm rooms and cabinets, and when not in use, it can easily be stored on shelves. The egg boiler gives you the perfect boil because of its premium quality stainless steel heating plate. The heating plate ensures excellent performance for your egg boiler and provides additional durability. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Toothbrush holder. Features a dust-proof cover that keeps your toothbrushes clean and hygienic. The clear window design allows you to easily see and access your brushes while offering protection from airborne debris, making it a perfect solution for maintaining oral health in a modern bathroom setup. keeps the brushes easily accessible and well organized for daily use. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Storage bags can be stored in the closet or under the bed, suitable for most dormitories, attics, basements and bedrooms. The foldable design allows them to be easily stored when not in use. Equipped with upgraded stainless steel zippers that are hard. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Slicer. Use the soft knob to simply adjust to the desired slice thickness, and slide the food over the stainless steel blade for perfect, even slices. A clear surface shows slices accumulating below. Slice on a cutting board or plate, or hook the soft foot over a bowl. A food holder protects hands and covers the blade when not in use. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Milk frother. This frother runs on a powerful lithium-ion battery and charges via USB Type-C. A charging cable is included, and it comes with a compact protective casing that easily fits into handbags, drawers, or travel pouches. Whether you're headed to the office or on vacation, enjoy smooth mixes wherever you go. It comes with 4 versatile stainless steel whisks, classic froth whisk for light foam, thick foam whisk for creamy cafe-style lattes, egg beater whisk for whisking eggs or curd, and protein mixer whisk for blending shakes or chocolate drinks. Whether it's your morning brew or a quick kitchen prep, this frother saves time and effort, perfect for multitasking moms who want results without extra gadgets. Crafted from tough ABS plastic and rust-free 304 stainless steel whisks, this frother is built to last. It handles daily use effortlessly and delivers consistent performance every time. Lightweight yet strong, it's a reliable kitchen partner moms can trust. Product link is given in the 34th link.